Hi friends and my dear students. Today in 12th Mathematics second volume, unit number 7, the application of integral calculus. Now, the example sums are going to be explained today. First sum 7.1. Very interesting sum. I think you are confused when you are watching in your textbook, but don't bother about that. Listen to my classes and you may be clear. Listen. For the function f of x equal to x square and x belongs to the value of 0, 2. 0, 2. That means it not exceeding 2. That's all. Okay. X is belongs to 0, 2. Greater than 2 and less than 2. Okay. If so, compute the average rate of changes. Average rate of changes, you want to find the average rate of changes. Rate of changes is nothing but for the interval of a comma b, that's equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, as per the equation we already studied in the textbook. Okay. Now, as per the sum, as per the sum, f of x is equal to x square. Therefore, f of a, that is for this equation, the interval is given a comma b, so that f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now, as per the sum, we know the value of f of x equal to x square. We want to find this interval. We can convert this equation in the interval of a comma b as per the formula, tutorial formula. So, f of b, it is nothing but you have to substitute, instead of x, you have to substitute the value of b. இந்த கொடுத்திருக்கிற சமன்பாட்டில் சராசரி அந்த மாற்றம், ஆவரேஜ் ரேட் ஆஃப் சேஞ்சஸ் இந்த மாற்றம் முன்ன ஏபிங்கிற இன்டர்வலுக்கு இடையில் நம்ம பார்த்துட போகிறோம். அப்போ ஏபி இன்டர்வலுக்கு பதிலாக எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக பி போடும். முதல்ல எஃப் ஆஃப் பின்னா எக்ஸுக்கு என்ன வரும்? பி ஸ்கொயர் வரும். அது கிளியர்? இன்கேஸ் இஃப் f of x, xக்கு பதிலாக என்ன போடுறேன்? a இன்டர்வல் போட்டிங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Then f of a is equal to a square. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay. From obtaining this two value, you have to substitute these two value in the rate of changes to find the formula in the interval of a comma b. Then the rate of change is average rate of change changes is given by f of b equal to b square. Are you clear? You have to substitute this value, f of b equal to b square. What is minus f of a? Minus a square. What is b minus a? Given. Therefore, a square minus b square, that is equal to b plus a into b minus a divided by b minus a. Both are cancelled. That is equal to b plus a. This is one famous equation. This equation is help to find the average rate of changes in the interval 0, comma b. Which one is A? This is called A. This is called B. Likewise, you have to consider for all the intervals. And here, if you want to find the instantaneous value, then the instantaneous value instantaneous value of given f of x, f of f dash of x. You have to differentiate f of x, then we get instantaneous value. That is equal f of x differentiate பண்ணா என்ன வரும் 2x வரும். n x power n minus 1. n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. That is called equation number B. If you are substituting the points available or given 4 points, then you get instantaneous values. Are you clear? If you are substituting these 4 points in the instantaneous value, then you get instantaneous value. If you substitute the value of interval as given in the sum a comma b in the average rate of changes, we get average rate of changes for this interval, for this given interval. Now it is easily calculated with the help of a tabulation. You have to consider a and then b and then x and then f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, that is equal to, we derived that value is equal to, as for a, b plus a. Okay, this is the first column, second, third, and then fourth, and finally we get instantaneous value. Instantaneous value, we already got the value equal to 2x, therefore 2x. Right. What actually in the sum was asked, this is the first average rate of changes. This is first. The second one is asked instantaneous value. The instantaneous value, when he asks, then you have to substitute the value of x. Are you clear? If you need the average rate of changes, you have to substitute the value of a comma b in the equation b plus a. That's a very simple sum. So now let us assume first a value 0 and b value 0.5. Second 0. 0.5 and 1. Then 1 comma 1.5. Then 1.5 and 2. This is the given value of a comma b instead of a comma b. Okay, now we have to fix the point of x. First x point 0.5, second point 1, third point 1.5 and last point 2. Now first we have to derive this value. Average rate of changes with the help of the equation b plus a, that is we already wrote here. So you have to add these two values, that's all. b means 0.5 plus a equal to 0, that is equal 0.5. Are you clear? Likewise, you have to consider B 1, A 0.5, that's equal to 1.5. Then third one, B 1.5 plus 1, that's equal 2.5. Now B equal to 2 plus A equal to 1.5, that's equal to 3.5. This is the value of average rate of changes for the given interval. Now we want to find the instantaneous changes for the given 4 points. First point 0.5. You have to substitute the x in the standard equation. We get 2 into 0.5, that's equal 10.2 pies are 10 and over decimal, then cancel then we get only another 1. The second point 2 into 1, that's equal to 2. Third point 2 into 1.5, that's equal to 3. Fourth point 2 instead of x you have to substitute the value of 2, that's equal to 4. This is a very easiest method to solve the sum for the given first examples. If we can solve the same problem in some other method without finding this b plus a, we have to substitute here itself the interval, but it will take more than 1.5 pages or 2 pages, but value of the marks is given to the sum is only 5 marks. You need not necessarily to waste your time. This may be solved only in 5 minutes. I hope you may understand and satisfied and clearly understand the concept. Thank you. Thank you, my dears.